Hello students, now we see the maths paper 2, third chapter linear regression. Already we have to study the exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Now we have to study the exercise 3.2. Before you start the exercise 3.2, let us see the formulas. First, to find the x here, that is a regression equation x on y, that is a b of xy. Here x is a dependent variable and y is a independent variable. That means if you we have to given the linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and we have to find b of xy, that is ax is equal to shifting this by, that is minus by minus c. Then we have to dividing both side by a, that is x is equal to minus b upon a minus c by a here. That means the regression equation x on y is equal to minus b by a. This you have to find the regression equation of x on y. That is the some formulas here. First one, b of xy is equal to covariance of x comma y upon variance of y. Second, b of xy is equal to summation of xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar upon summation of yi minus y bar the whole square. Third one, b of xy is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y here. Then regression equation x on y is equal to x minus x bar is equal to b of xy y minus y bar. This you have to find a x, that means your regression equation x on y here. Then for the y, that is a regression equation y on x, that is we have to find b of xy. Let us see how we find the b of xy. Same way here, equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We have to y here dependent variable, x is an independent variable, that is you have to b of yx here find, that is by is equal to this minus ax minus c, shifting that side, that is your plus get minus, and then dividing both side by b, y is equal to minus a by bx minus c by b. That means the regression equation, that is the coefficient y on x is equal to minus a by b. This you have to find the regression equation y on x here. Then the formula b of yx is equal to covariance of x comma y upon variance of x. b of xy is equal to summation of xi minus x bar yi minus y bar upon summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. And the third one, b of yx is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x. And here regression equation y on x is y minus y bar b of yx x minus x bar here. Then see the properties of regression coefficient. First property, both regression coefficient have same origin, that is b of xy and b of yx are either both are positive or both are negative. That means this b of xy and b of yx, if you have to find first b of yx and this is a positive sign, then same way the b of xy is also the positive. Or if your b of xy is negative, same way b of yx is also negative here. That means either both are positive or both are negative here. See the second property, if b of xy greater than 1, then b of yx less than 1. That means if one value is greater and then one value is less than 1 here. If your b of xy less than 1, then b of yx is greater than 1 here. The third property, correlation coefficient. That is you have to find the r here. The formula will be under root plus minus under root of b of xy into b of yx here. That is this one here. Then sine of r will be same of b of xy and b of yx. That means if you both are positive, r is positive. If you both b of xy and b of yx are negative, r will be the negative. These are the some properties of regression coefficient. That is the r here. Let us see the exercise third. That is a 3.3 here. From two regression equation, find r, x bar and y bar here. The equations are given 4y is equal to 9x plus 15 and 25x is equal to 4y plus 17. In this question, first we have to find the x bar and y bar. That is x bar and y bar. First, you have to find this one. Okay. Let us see here solution. We know that the coordinates of the point of intersection, that is x comma y. These are the coordinates of point of the intersection of two lines are x bar and y bar. That means x is equal to x bar and y is equal to y bar here. That is the coordinate of the point of intersection of two lines here. Then given regression equations are 4y is equal to 9x plus 15 and 25x is equal to 4y plus 17. That is, we have to shifting this 4y that side, that means here plus 4y is equal to minus 4y here. That is, the equation becomes 9x minus 4y plus 15 is equal to 0. Same here, this 4y plus 17, we have to shifting left side here. That means here 25x minus 4y minus 17 is equal to 0. Then solving this equation simultaneously, that is subtract equation this from this one here. That means 9x minus 4y plus 15 is equal to 0 minus here 25x minus 4y minus 17 is equal to 0. That is, if you subtract this one, that is here minus, this minus 4y become plus, minus 17 become plus, that is 9 minus 25, that is a 16x, 15 plus 17, that is equal to 32, that is this plus 32, we have to shifting that side, that is minus 32. That means minus 16x minus 32. This minus sign get cancel. That means remaining here 16x is equal to 32. That is x is equal to 32 upon 16. X is equal to 2. Using this one, we have to finding the value of y. Then substitute x is equal to 2 in this equation to find the value of y here. That is 4y is equal to 9 into 2 plus 15. That is equal to 18 plus 15. That is equal to 33. That means 4y is equal to 33. Therefore, y is equal to 33 by 4. If you're dividing this one, the value of y is equal to 8.25. Therefore, x bar is equal to 2 and y bar is equal to 8.25. That means mean of x is 2 and mean of y is equal to 8.25. This we have to find the mean of x and y here. After that, we have to find the correlation coefficient, that is a r. We have to find the regression coefficient of b of yx and b of xy. For this, we have to choose one of the line regression y on x and other is x on y. Because in equation is not given which is the y on x and which is the x on y here. Then we have to assume here, let 4y is equal to 9x plus 15 be the line regression y on x. This gives 4y is equal to 9x plus 15 here. Then y is equal to dividing both sides by the 4 here. That is y is equal to 9 by 4x plus 15 by 4. Therefore, regression equation, regression coefficient y on x is equal to 9 by 4. The other equation is that the line of x on y, which can be written as 25x is equal to 4y plus 17. Then dividing both sides by 25, that is 4 upon 25y plus 17 upon 25. That is a regression x on y is equal to 4 upon 25, where x is a dependent and y is a independent variable here. Now, using this one b of xy and b of yx, we have to find the correlation coefficient, that is the r here. That is, now you know that the formula r is equal to plus minus under root of b of yx into b of xy here. That is, r is equal to, we have to plus minus under root of 4 upon 25 and 9 into 9 by 4. This 4 get cancel. Remaining here, r is equal to under root of 9 upon 25. This is a plus minus here. Therefore, r is equal to square root of 9 is 3, square root of 25 is 5, 3 by 5, that is equal to 0.6 here. Then we have to check it is a positive or negative. Since here, see this, b of yx value plus 9 by 4. B of xy is a plus 4 by 25. Both are the positive. Therefore, the value of r is also positive. That means since b of yx and yx is positive, the value of r is positive here. This we have to find the x bar, y bar and r here for question first here. Next, see the question number 3. For 50 students of a class, the regression equation marks in statics bracket capital X. We have to assume the, already given here statics capital X on the marks in accountancy, that is a capital Y. That means your regression equation here X on Y is 3y minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. The mean marks of accountancy is equal to 44. That means given y bar is equal to 44 here. And variance of marks in statistics in 9 by 16 of variance of marks in accountancy. That is given here. This one, see this here. Sigma square x is equal to 9 by 16 sigma square y here. That is a variance of statistics 9 by 16 of variance of marks in accountancy. Then find the mean marks of statistics. That means we have to find here, x bar and the correlation coefficient between marks in two subjects, that is a r here. These two values are find here. Let us see how did you find. First, the given line of regression x on y is 3y minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. That is, you have to find regression x on y. That is, x is a dependent and y is a independent variable. That is, we have to take here this 5x shifting that side. That means 5x is equal to 3y plus 180, dividing both side by 5. That is, x is equal to 3 by 5 y plus 180 upon 36. That is 180 upon 36. That is equal to 180. Here 180 upon 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. Remaining 3. 0 here. 5 6 are 30. That is equal to 36 here. That means x is equal to 3 upon 5y plus 36 here. Therefore, regression coefficient b of xy is equal to 3 by 5, and that if divide this one, the value is equal to 0.6 here. Also given that y bar is equal to 40, so that means mean marks of accountancy is given, that is equal to 44, and the variance of x is equal to 9 by 16 variance of y, that is this one. Sigma square x is equal to 9 by 16 sigma square y, that is this sigma square y you have to multiply shifting that side, divide, that is the equation becomes sigma square x upon sigma square y is equal to 9 by 16. Sorry. Since point of means x bar and y bar lies on the regression line 3y minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. That is we have to equation becomes 3y bar minus 5x bar plus 180 here. That is we have to given the y bar, substitute here, that is 3 into 44 minus 5x bar plus 180 is equal to 0 here. Then we have to multiply 44 into 3, that is equal to here 32, then minus 5x bar plus 180 is equal to 0. Then we have to add this 180 plus 132, 283, 11 carrying 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, that is equal to 312. That means equation becomes minus 5x plus 312 is equal to 0. This 312 shifting that side, minus 5x is equal to minus 312. Both side minus minus sign get cancelled. Remaining 5x is equal to 312. If you're dividing this 5 both side by 5, then the value of x become 62.4 here. That means the x bar is equal to 62.4. Therefore, the mean marks in statistic is 62.4 here. These are the mean marks of the statics here. Then we have to take here sigma square x upon sigma square y is equal to 9 by 16. Taking square root both side here, that is square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 16 is 4. That means sigma x upon sigma y is equal to 3 by 4. Now we have to take here p of xy, that is the regression coefficient of x and y, is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y here. Substitute this value, regression coefficient of x and y is 0.6, r is not given here, and sigma x upon sigma y is 3 by 4. Then this 4 we have to shifting that side, that is 0.6 into 4 upon 3, that is equal to r here. Then 6 4s are 24, that is 2.4 upon 3, that is equal to r, and the value of r is equal to 0.8. 3 8s are 24, that the value of r is equal to 0.8. This we have to find the mean of marks in statics and value of r, that is a correlation coefficient 0.8 here. Okay. Then see the next question. Question number 4. For a bivariate data, the regression coefficient of y on x is 0.4 and the regression coefficient x on y is 0.9. Find the value of variance of y if variance of x is 9. That is, we have to given here regression coefficient of y and x is 0.4 here. See this, that is b of yx is equal to 0.4. This is the given value here. Also, regression coefficient of x and y, that is regression coefficient of x and y is equal to 0.9. This second value is given. And the variance of y, that is sigma square x is equal to 9, then sigma x taking square root both sides, that is equal to 3 here. These are the given value. Then we have to find the correlation coefficient, that is r. This value we have to find here. Now you know that the formula r is equal to plus minus under root of b of yx into b of xy. This is the regression coefficient of x y on x into regression coefficient of x on y here. Substitute both the value here. That is r is equal to plus minus under root of regression coefficient of y on x is 0.9. Sorry, 0.9, and regression coefficient of x on y is 0.4 here. Multiplying this one, that is a r is equal to plus minus under root of 36 and square root of under root of 0.36. The value of r is equal to 0.6 here. Then see this, the regression coefficient of y on x and x on y, both the value are here positive here. See this value and this value, both the value are positive, therefore the value of r is also positive, since b of yx and b of xy is positive here. Now we have to find the variance of y, that is you have to take the formula. You know that b of yx is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x here. That is, substitute their values. Regression coefficient of y on x is already given here 0.4, r value find here 0.6 into sigma y upon 3. Then we have to 3 shiftings, 3 here, divide here, shifting that side, 0.5 into 3, 0.6 here upon 6, that is multiply here, shifting that side, divide sigma y here. Then 3 4s are 12, that is 1.2 upon 0.6, that is equal to sigma y, 6 2s are 12, that means answer becomes sigma y is equal to 2 here. Then squaring both sides, therefore sigma square y is equal to 4. Therefore, variance of y is equal to 4. This we have to find the variance of y here. See the next question, question number 5. The equation of two regression lines 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is second question in a textbook. We have to given equation is 2x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. We have to correct here. It is a 3x plus 2y minus 12. In the second equation, one correction here, replace 2x by 3x here. Okay. The equation two regression lines are 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. And we are using this one, we have to find correlation coefficient and sigma x upon sigma y here. The given regression line here, 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Here also not given here which is the y on x and which is the x on y here. Then we have to assume here one of the line is y on x and one of the line is x on y here, because we have to find the correlation coefficient here. For this we have to choose one of the line is regression y on x and other is x on y here. Let us see here. Let 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 be the line regression on y on x. This you have to assume because in a question not given. So you have to assume here. Therefore, the equation becomes 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 6 here. Then dividing both side by 3 here, that is y is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 6 by 3 is equal to 2 here. That is y is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 2. Therefore, regression coefficient y on x is equal to minus 2 by 3. That means b of yx is equal to minus 2 by 3. And second equation 2x plus 3y minus 12. Okay, we have to correct here. We have to correct this equation here. That is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0 here. Okay. Then the equations become here 3x minus 2y plus 12. Then dividing both side by 3, that is x is equal to minus 2 by 3y plus 6 by 3 is equal to 2. That is regression coefficient of y or x on y is equal to minus 2 by 3. After that, we have to find the value of r, that is a correlation coefficient. That is r is equal to plus minus under root of y on x into regression coefficient of x on y. It's a b of yx and b of xy here. Let us see here, substitute this, both having values minus 2 by 3. That is the regression coefficient of y on x is minus 2 by 3 and regression coefficient of x on y is also minus 2 by 3. That is minus minus sign get plus, that is a 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. That means value of r is equal to 2 by 3. But see this here, b of yx and b of xy both having the negative sign. Therefore, the value of r is minus 2 by 3. That means answer becomes r is negative here, since b of yx and b of xy is negative here. Okay? Because regression coefficient of x on y and yx both having negative sign here. Now, b of xy is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y here. Okay. Small correction also here, that is minus 2 by 3. The value of b of xy is equal to minus 2 by 3 sigma x upon sigma y here. Okay, both side here minus minus sign gate cancel, 2 by 3 2 by 3 gate cancel, because we have to shifting this 2 by 3 shift that side, that is a 3 by 2, that cancel. That means sigma x upon sigma y is equal to minus 1. Also we have to correct here, this value is equal to plus 1 respect to minus 1 here. Okay, this we have to solve in the question 5. These are the some two corrections here. Here, that is a 3x plus 2y minus 12, and the other corrections in the formula, that is here minus sign, and in the answer is it is a plus sign. These are the three corrections in this question. Okay, this you have to solve in the question number 5. Okay, the remaining question in a see in a next lecture. Thank you.